I gladly release all stress and negativity from my entire precious being and life, easily and effortlessly. Peace, gentleness, and soothing calmness flow blissfully through marvelous me at every moment, allowing my wonderful body, intelligent mind, and gracious soul to be content in every way. Goodness, generosity, and kindness are wonderfully attracted to me because I am a good, generous, and kind person, and I thoroughly enjoy giving and receiving goodness in every aspect of my prosperous life. I enjoy letting go of stress, anger, and disappointment because it is my free choice to be a happy, content, and better person, and to improve my already successful life, and to make smarter and wiser decisions in every situation that I encounter. I always do my very best and easily give 100% in every positive challenge. And I accept my personal best to be all that is ever needed, and that is perfectly okay. I am grateful for who I am. Each day I lovingly find some alone time to gather my creative and prosperous thoughts